Good afternoon, friends. Somebody has asked this question: what is awareness? And it's my great pleasure to be sharing some thoughts about the same. Awareness is the very essence of our being. Everything we do is possible through awareness. We exist as long as this awareness is available to us. If it were to move out, this body would be dead. So, what is awareness? If we look at our own life on a day-to-day basis, we are aware of many things. The eyes are bringing us so many images in forms. The ears are able to hear sounds. The nose picks up many smells and fragrances. The tongue brings us many tastes. The skin brings about a sense of touch. And that is how we perceive the world. And whatever gets communicated by the senses, the mind interprets it. And that is how we have a sense of this world. But let us look at it a bit more keenly. Do the eyes see everything that is there in the field of vision? The answer would be no. We see only what we give our attention to. Do the ears pick up every sound that is present there in the environment? The answer would be no. The ears pick up only that sound to which we give our attention to. Are we aware of every taste that is there in food? No. If we are not giving our attention to what we are eating, we miss the taste. So if you look at it this way, within each one of us there is an eye of the eye, there is an ear of the ear, a tongue of the tongue, a nose of the nose, a skin of the skin. That is working for us. And what is that? That is awareness. So whenever this awareness falls on anything, because of the attention that we are given, it illumines that thing. And we become conscious of that particular object or thought or experience or circumstance. Now, because we are focused on the outside world, we often miss the point that there is something more fundamental because of which all this is being illuminated. So, how do we know what is illuminating everything? And this is very important because this is how we come to know who we truly are. So a journey into our own awareness begins with awareness of the breath. Breath is something that does not create many thoughts. In fact, when we pay attention to our breath, we start settling down within. And for the first time, we can become aware of our bodies. So we travel from breath awareness to body awareness. And if we become aware of the body, then as the body settles down, we can transcend the body and become aware of what is happening in our minds. And as this exploration continues, we can see how thoughts are arising and subsiding in an infinite sea of consciousness that the mind is. And then we begin to notice the gap. When one thought has arisen and subsided and the other has not arisen. And if we get into the gap, then we are tasting the pure awareness. And the closer we get to this pure awareness, the more aligned we become to it. And then it is possible for us to have what we call multidimensional awareness. Be aware of many things at one time. And it brings tremendous wisdom and clarity and a holistic approach to our life. We can reside in pure awareness and perform all the functions that we have to perform. But the innate quality of our approach to life changes. We operate from a sense of knowing, a sense of assurance, and infinite clarity and wisdom. It's one of the greatest adventures of life that each one of us has to undertake, a journey into awareness. What a wonderful exploration it is going to be. And thank you very much for listening to me. God bless you all.